Alright, welcome back to the channel.
This is our second installment in our mic series. Today we are reviewing the blue Snowball ICE with a cardioid pattern, meaning it only picks up audio in front of the mic as opposed to around it. And we're seeing if it's worth the $50 price tag.
Currently, we're recording on the blue Snowball ICE with EQ. Let's get into it. Alright, so as you guys know, we are going to be reviewing the blue Snowball ICE, so the budget version of the blue Snowball. So here it is in the box. Unfortunately, I had it for a while, so I don't have the manual or whatever. But here's the box, pretty simple. I kind of like the design of it. One thing right off the bat, I don't know if you guys can see, but maybe on the camera it looks smaller. But in real life, it takes up a pretty big space on your desk. So if you want to use it for streaming or something and you have a limited space, you might want to reconsider buying this mic because at the end of the day, I mean, it takes up a lot of space and it's just bulky. So that's one thing to note. In addition, they have a cable. It is detachable. So you just got to remove it, plug it back in, and it is a USB microphone, USB-A cable, same as most mics. As you can see right here, this isn't the same cable, but it is a USB cable. It's the same type of connection. So that's what this mic uses, and yeah, I mean, it's pretty generic. One thing I do not like about it, there is no gain knob, right, that you can twist the volume up and down. There's no mute button, right, as you can see on the Fifine, which will be in the info card right up there. They have a mute button, they have a gain knob, you can change all the things on the fly, and it's pretty small and sleek. However, let's test the sound quality and see, is it really worth the $50 price tag? Now we are recording on the blue Snowball without EQ. As seen in the last videos, we will read lines from Harry Potter on 3 different mics. The blue Snowball is a USB plug-and-play mic standing at 8 inches with the tripod and has about a 6-foot long cable.
Now I will read lines from the first Harry Potter book. Mr. and Mrs. Dursley of number 4 Privet Drive were proud to say that they were perfectly normal. Thank you very much. They were the last people you'd expect to be involved in anything strange or mysterious.
Now we're recording on the blue Snowball with EQ.
Mr. and Mrs. Dursley of number 4 Privet Drive were proud to say that they were perfectly normal. Thank you very much. They were the last people you'd expect to be involved in anything strange or mysterious.
Now we are recording on the Fifine K052 without EQ, and if you're interested in that review, we have a link up in the info card right up there. It's about a $20, $30 mic, and if you want to see if it sounds better, go check that one out.
Mr. and Mrs. Dursley of number 4 Privet Drive were proud to say that they were perfectly normal. Thank you very much. They were the last people you'd expect to be involved in anything strange or mysterious.
Now we're recording on the Fifine K052 with EQ at around the same distance of a foot and a half as we were on the blue Snowball and the other mics. So now Chinook's going to read the lines one more time to give you guys a good reference.
Mr. and Mrs. Dursley of number 4 Privet Drive were proud to say that they were perfectly normal. Thank you very much. They were the last people you'd expect to be involved in anything strange or mysterious. Now we're recording on the Corsair HS60 Headset mic without EQ. Mr. and Mrs. Dursley of number 4 Privet Drive were proud to say that they were perfectly normal. Thank you very much. They were the last people you'd expect to be involved in anything strange or mysterious. Now we're recording on the headset mic with EQ. Mr. and Mrs. Dursley of number 4 Privet Drive were proud to say that they were perfectly normal. Thank you very much. They were the last people you'd expect to be involved in anything strange or mysterious.
Blue Snowball ICE without EQ, and we're going to test the exaggerated keyboard clicks, and we're going to test it with the in-game audio, so we're going to give a little bit of shoot, and you can hear how my voice sounds in comparison to the in-game audio. So now let's do some keyboard clicks, and you guys can listen to how loud the keyboard sounds.
Bomb has been located. The diffuser is no longer in your possession.
Alright, so that's about 15 seconds of exaggerated keyboard clicks. You'll probably never click that loud, but you guys can get a good idea of how it sounds. That test is great for streaming, so you can hear how loud it sounds. And now that we finished the without EQ, let's get into how the mic sounds with keyboard clicks with EQ.
Or has
All right,
yet to
now we're
locate a bomb.
recording with the Blue Snowball ICE with EQ. And
Don't
let's
waste
see
that,
some
don't waste it, don't waste it,
exaggerated
don't-
keyboard clicks so you guys can hear the difference.
Thank you.
Alright, so it's about 10-15 seconds. Now let's hear how it sounds with the gun shooting and in-game audio. You guys can really get a good test of how it sounds.
Be advised, Op 4 has located a bomb. You will be detected if you remain in the area. You've been spotted.
Ooh, alright, well. Alright, let's get into our final thoughts about the cardioid pattern Blue Snowball ICE that we're currently recording on with different EQ settings that we found to sound the best.
In our opinion, the Blue Snowball has the best sound quality. It sounds crisp and sharp without cutting out any of your words.
Personally, I can't imagine this mic sounding any better with EQ. At this price point, it really is a budget beast.
Let's talk about the pros and the cons. The major pro is the sound quality.
In addition, the mic cord is about 6 feet long, allowing it to work with most setups. However, the mic stand along with the mic takes a good chunk of space on your desk, allowing for less flexibility unless you want to purchase another $20 boom arm.
With other mics like the Fifine, there's much more flexibility along with a handy mute button and a gain knob.
The main con, however, is size. If your setup allows for a bulky mic, you won't have to worry about the mic. But if you have a small setup, it won't work.
In conclusion, we recommend this mic to users with a large size desk and who are on a tight budget and don't want to cop out on sound quality.
Thank you for watching our second installment in the mic review series. If you have any questions, comments, or ideas, leave them down in the description and we'll make sure to respond. I'm at the comment section. And we'll see you in the next one.